ka Rainbow Entertainment ka kynhun ban kyntiew ki sap ki phong ki Samla ka Jylla ka Khot ka wer ban ya shimenta ha ka jingiakop Assam Got Talent ka ban long ha ka tarik Nohprah ha Youth Hostel IGP Shillong. Yakini ka jingiakop la pyniaid da ka Assam Got Talent ka balong shibenta ban iarap ki Samla ban iakhun ha ki lumpung baheh ha karib at shabari. Ki bajap akini ka lumpung yakop Assam Got Talent kinyo ka cash prize ka bashilak tingka but kinlongru ki brand ambassador na ka bynta snem.
Children or youth or anybody, we are here to give a platform to show their talents, to come up from the home. There are most of the kids nowadays are using social media, or some are being bounded by their home that you shouldn't go out there, you shouldn't go there, you should only study. We are here to show all over the world that Northeast is not the backward state. We are still developing, and we have some unique talents that we can perform, and we can be the number one also in a national like Mumbai and Delhi. If we go out there nowadays, the people over there, they think that we are still being bounded by our home and families, by our family members, but we need to show them that we are encouraged by our own families and we can go out. So we are giving a small platform from our show, and the winners, and not only winners, the participants who really have their dedication to achieve something in their life, not only on education purpose, on cultural purposes also. We gave them opportunity to go out there in Mumbai to show themselves, because in today's world you need fame. Fame is the only thing you need to grow up. So we are giving fame, first of all. Second thing, we are giving opportunities to go international also. The last winner of our show visited Britain's Got Talent. We also went to Indonesia, because no, it's not. We are not like over proud. We are just proud of them, because wherever they go, they were still like, okay, just because of us, they are performing in international stages. So we are really thankful, not only for us, for them also, because they are creating our name. Not only Assam Got Talent, they are creating the nationwide, our location, or you can see our proudness to other states also. So that's all.
Kita kedua kami bagi negara ini kita kuat ini dengan Nohprah koordinator yang benar state Meghalaya dan belum menang kita sama. Te nomor kanong tangga amda mawai ke all Meghalaya dan sa senang. Jadi cinta dengan begini. Kan iarap semua dia kan despen pada saya di shabar. Namun kan cinta begini nak Assam iyo ke bynta. Bangladesh itu gila. Kita kan despen ni ke bami apa Meghalaya. Ngilang connect kini kila spread dekat Khubor kan udah bentang te cuma nak cuma ni ka Assam Got Talent dengan keren menghamati keren boleh tai kan yang ang kai kita perfect ke bagi orang mentang suki no kiban sa tiga tiga la kicok video perfect ni kila itu dekat pensyar itu kiba job ke salon kinom brand ambassador apa snem bagi te kindam lu bentah ke national issue kini perlu ke national issue pada program show and kini by day berkenaan magazine shoot nangka kini ban bentah ke ni ka Assam movies film Assam di Assamese kita jawab ni bukan kadang ka opportunity kan rezeki no di negara juga all Meghalaya ada set di Pak Khubor strategi pada orang tangki noksa orang tapi nolai nama ngai iya ko ka social media udah boy nombak mo na po dia ko bang somken no kadi ke jimbang somken jung ngat ngai iya kan jimbang somken lagi dong la no buat po Meghalaya bang somken rada ke benar dibanding sapa yaitu bang somken nanti po janjian ngai ba Peit ada yang ada lagi jumi no ada yo i benar ni ke bentar bang kini ru kita kaling sababu bagi India Got Talent makin dulu bentang kita kalingan. Dia kali bentang lo dengan kabu, kita kita sap kita talent. Mo, ini kita kirompa, kita sap prepare. Buat tempur ini sap,esi lagi sap talent jumpi sama ibu dia sekadau di segala empa berapa ya India dan empa berapa ya North East dan negara kau sendiri ikan tu yang pergi di dalam sab terkejala Meghalaya berapa ya maka kau sendiri dengan pot yang cupet tadi kita nongsiang kita nongwang cupet itu model cupet ini berapa kita nak dalam sab beri dalam sab Meghalaya ia belum menang lagi kenang bahkan ada ini kiwarna belum yang jalan untuk kan sarung ini mesti jadi